Welcome to Greenhouse Energy, a greener living situation. Business proposal by Micah Loftmiller. This slideshow consists of the cost of electricity, how to reduce landfills, money, and how much you'll save by using these systems, and why money is not the only driving factor behind these systems, and last, the systems involved. The cost of electricity. The average person pays $1,500 per year for electricity. And if you're a small business owner, you may pay up to several thousands of dollars a year. With greenhouse energy, your costs will be much less. Greenhouse energies can also help with reducing landfills. About 80% of your garbage can be recycled into biomass gas to run a generator or a gas hot water heater. This would greatly reduce the landfill space that everybody uses. Now on to the important parts. Money. By coupling together solar power, wind power, and biomass gas, you can save thousands each year in utilities, and also save money in the long run. The system would pay for itself in about 4 years. Also, if you generate more electricity than what you use, you can sell it back to the grid for more savings. On average, a person will save between $1,000 and $1,500 a year. It's all about more than just money. It's about the earth. Everyone has a part in taking care of the earth. We need to do our best to move from using dirty energy sources to clean, renewable sources. We also need to do our part in being efficient with what we have. We all have to work together to reduce landfills. And all this combines to preserve the earth for our children and our children's children so that they may enjoy the rich beauty that we have today. First, we will start with solar power system. When the sun heats up a solar panel, it releases electrons, creating a flow. This flow is a direct current, but since houses are alternate current, it must be put through an inverter to create this alternate current. The solar panels are not stationary like most designs. They will have a solar tracker on them so that they may follow the sun across the sky just as a sunflower does. This way, instead of needing 10 solar panels, you'd only need 8 solar panels to produce the same amount of electricity. And the added benefit is they even work on cloudy days. Next, we'll move on to the wind power system. Like the solar power system, it creates a direct current, which has to be put through an inverter to create alternate currents. Both systems will be attached to a high-capacity bank of batteries that will save electricity for times where the sun isn't shining and the wind is not blowing for you to use. The great addition for the wind power is that when the solar panels aren't generating, whether it's really cloudy or at night, the wind may be blowing and that will generate electricity for you. The third part of the system is the biomass gasifier. It takes organic materials such as apples, bananas, wood shavings, grass, leaves, twigs, anything of organic nature, and concentrates it down into a biomass gas that can be put into generators to generate electricity for the house, or into a gas hot water heater, or anything else that uses natural gas. This saves not only landfill space, but also reduces dependence on dirty energy. And for those especially environmentally conscious, we have water filters. You pour in any liquid and it will filter out clean drinking water. Though you might want to boil it first just to make sure there are no microbes in there. If you want to use it for watering plants, it is safe as soon as it is done filtering. This will also help reduce your dependence on utilities and drive down your costs each month even more. So what is the end result? The end result is a home that is almost entirely off the grid. The system includes a bank of high-capacity batteries that will ensure usage into the night or when electricity is not being produced. They will be charged first thing in the morning before you even wake up so that you can use them throughout the day. You'll still be attached to the grid, however, for those rare occasions that you use more electricity than you make. Most of the time, though, you'll be making more electricity than you need and be able to sell it back to the grid for a profit. So please, join with me in this Kickstarter in helping me raise funds to design these prototypes and build them to prove that everybody can have clean, renewable energy.